Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva to design a flyer. Canva is an incredibly intuitive online tool that empowers anyone to create stunning visuals, even without prior design experience. You'll discover how simple it is to craft eye-catching flyers for any event or promotion. With its vast library of resources, you can bring your creative vision to life in just a few easy steps, making design accessible to everyone. To start, navigate to Canva and search for Flyer to explore the extensive collection of pre-designed templates. You'll find thousands of options, from business promotions to party invitations. Select a template that resonates with your message, then personalize it. You can effortlessly modify colors to align with your brand, swap out fonts for a different feel, and replace placeholder images with your own or choose from Canva's stock photos. Once your template is chosen, it's time to add your unique content. Click on any text box to input your headlines, event dates, times, and contact information. You can upload your own high-quality images or browse Canva's impressive library of millions of stock photos and illustrations. Further enhance your flyer by incorporating various graphic elements like icons, shapes, and lines to guide the viewer's eye and add visual interest. After perfecting your design, you have several options for sharing your new flyer. You can download it in popular formats such as PDF for printing or JPG and PNG for digital use. Canva also allows you to share your design directly to social media platforms with just a few clicks. For physical copies, consider using Canva Print for professional results, or download the file to print with your preferred local printing service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.